In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an RBC debit card in Remitly. First, open the Remitly app or website and sign into your account. Tap the menu or your profile icon, then go to Payment Methods or Add Payment Method. This is where all linked cards and bank accounts are managed. To add your RBC debit card, choose Add Debit or Card. Enter the 16-digit card number along with the expiry date, CVV, and the name on the card. Be careful to match the details exactly to avoid verification errors. After entering your card details, Remitly may verify the card either through a small temporary charge or by asking you to complete a one-time confirmation, so keep an eye on your RBC account or email for any prompts. Once verification is complete, the card will be linked successfully and ready for use. When you make a transfer, simply select your newly added RBC debit card as the funding source. This ensures the money can be sent effectively, especially on options like debit card deposit for your recipient. Now, if you still face issues, ensure that your card is fully activated, has a valid CVV, and your Remitly profile name matches the name on your card. RBC's Visa debit support is confirmed, but occasional technical glitches can cause rejections. Thank you for watching this video.